ECOXGEAR SEB28R Review 500-watt beast or overhyped Powersports Soundbar. Ever been stuck on a ride or at a tailgate with weak, tinny speakers that barely cut through the wind? It's frustrating. Your crew is hyped, the vibes are right, but the sound just dies. Hours of setup, tangled wiring, and gear that can't keep up ruin the moment. Nothing kills momentum faster than unreliable audio that drops the energy flat. Then the pain hits harder: dead batteries mid-ride, busted gear from water or mud, or awkward silence when the bass disappears under engine noise. Deadlines and stress fade when you're outdoors, but bad sound drags it all back. Missed opportunities for epic nights, dull rides, and burnout from constant fixes. Your adventure deserves better than fragile toys pretending to be speakers. Meet the ECOXGEAR SEB28R Elite, the all-in-one 500-watt amplified, battery-powered Powersports soundbar that actually thrives where others fail. Packed with 8 marine-grade speakers, 2 tweeters for mids, and 2 woofers, this beast pushes crisp highs, punchy mids, and chest-thumping bass that you feel even at 45 miles per hour. With its removable 12-volt, 13.4 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, you'll enjoy 20-plus hours of playtime without draining your ride. Rainstorm, mud pit, saltwater splash, no sweat. The SEB28R is 100% waterproof, dirt-proof, and even floats, IP66 certified. Installation is stupidly simple with the included standard mounting brackets. And for off-road warriors or boaters, heavy-duty options are ready. Add in Bluetooth 5.1 streaming up to 100 feet, AUX-IN and out, USB charging, and the ability to EcoCast link up to 100 devices, and you're never short on options. Bonus? It's got built-in LED backlit speakers plus a dual rear light bar, all customizable through a 4-zone LEDCast controller. One rider said, "It saved our night ride. Mud everywhere, system blasting, lights glowing. We partied till sunrise." The SEB28R isn't just specs, it's transformation in a single soundbar. Powersports influencers call it the only bar loud enough to dominate over a roaring UTV engine. Analysts rave about its design, a permanent yet portable solution that eliminates amps, wires, and headaches. Reviewers love its stamina. The battery lasted all day on the dunes, then went to the bonfire with juice left. Boaters swear by its durability. Dropped it off the dock, it floated and still rocked. From crisp dialogue at campfires to bone-rattling bass during trail rides, this system delivers both finesse and fury. With EcoCast, groups link dozens of units for synced party vibes, while the RGB LEDs shift from subtle ambient glow to full music-reactive chaos. And that wireless RF remote. Total game changer. Control tracks, volume, and lights without digging for your phone. Why waste money on flimsy portable speakers or messy component installs? With 500 watts, 20-plus hours of power, IP66 toughness, and true plug-and-play mounting, the SEB28R crushes every excuse. Imagine rolling into camp, hitting play, and instantly commanding attention. No drama, no downtime. Just pure, rugged audio that refuses to quit. Curious why riders, boaters, and tailgaters alike won't shut up about it? You'll have to hear it roar. Don't wait. Limited stock of the ECOXGEAR SEB28R Elite is moving fast. Join thousands of UTV riders, boaters, and outdoor warriors who've already ditched weak setups for 500 watts of waterproof, bass-thumping power. Whether it's night rides, lakeside parties, or tailgates, this is your chance to own audio built to survive and thrive anywhere. Forget wires, forget worries. Secure yours today and transform every ride into a full-throttle experience you'll feel in your bones. Adventure doesn't wait, neither should you.